Welcome to Nipro Renal Solutions USA. Our plant is located on 15.5 acres in south central Pennsylvania, where we manufacture our first-class Medica Pure and Medica Light acid and bicarbonate hemodialysis concentrates. Our manufacturing process starts with the water. We purify the water on-site through reverse osmosis. The water is combined with quality raw materials that go through an extensive receiving and inspection process.
We weigh out all the chemicals based upon formulation, and we slurry them into these tanks, mix them, homogenize them, test them in our laboratory, and then once all that meets our specifications, then it's cleared to either go to a bottle line or a drum line.
Nipro Renal Solutions manufactures 60 standard formulations across 3 dilutions for liquid acid concentrate and liquid sodium bicarbonate, and we will customize any formulation our clients may require. Additionally, we also manufacture acid and sodium bicarbonate dry concentrates.
Quality control is an essential part of every aspect of the process here at Nipro Renal Solutions. It starts with the raw materials. All chemicals used in our products are tested to adhere to USP specifications. All products then get tested prior to pump off into final packaging containers. And then lastly, we take representative samples from every lot produced to make sure that throughout the lot we have uniform specifications of every component of that product.
At the bottling line, 1-gallon bottles are filled and capped inside a clean room enclosure. They are then labeled before going through the induction sealer and packaged. In addition to 1-gallon bottles, we also offer 55-gallon drums as a special order. These reusable drums are cleaned and inspected before being refilled and shipped.
Over our 25 years manufacturing experience, we perfected the art of producing acid and bicarbonate hemodialysis concentrate. It's in our DNA.
The merging of Nipro Renal Solutions and Nipro Medical Corporation has been a superb match. In essence, as we go forward, we're always striving to innovate and improve. We have a medical director that guides us in that light to see if we can improve the solutions that we make to ensure that the patient gets an even better treatment than they're already getting.